All right. So you go out there, and you have a car, and you replace the coils, the spark plugs. You have no vacuum leaks, and you still got a misfire. It's more than likely you got a leaky fuel injector gasket. Look at that O-ring bubbling away. So if you're having a mysterious misfire and you did your plugs, your coils, and no vacuum leaks, still got a misfire, more than likely you have a leaky fuel injector. Nobody else is leaking. We only have a misfire in cylinder 1. So hopefully that helps you. This is a 2012 Corolla misfire. Mysterious misfire. There you go.